चक्रवर्ती, सोमाली देवर्मा, सुभाश्री देव, खुशी जमातिया, सुदेशना रिया, जोशिता चावला, दीक्षित शाह, देवश्मिता
scoring 90%, Ahona Sur scoring 90.2%, Rimi Jamatia scoring 91.4%, Lalwar Kiwi Dalam scoring 91.4%, Karavi Jamatia scoring 90%, Anushana Devna scoring 92.2%.
and have the privilege to invite our chief guest,
Please rise up for accepting our invitation. Thank you.
Big round of applause. She has scored 99.2%.
AISSE Examination 2026.
Once again, we request our chief guest along with to say a few words so that the upcoming students who will be on the stage they can take some motivation from you.
Good morning, respected sisters, parents, fellow students, as well as everyone present. Standing here today feels truly special and is a moment I will cherish forever. Receiving this recognition is not just a personal achievement, it reflects the support and guidance I have received throughout this journey. I know this success is theirs and not mine alone. And to all my classmates and to my friends, thank you for making this journey memorable and moving. We shared stress, joy, laughter, and memories I will carry with me for years. If there is one thing this journey has taught me, it is that achievements are never ours alone. They are built through learning, consistency, and the support of people who believe in us. So this is a moment of gratitude as well as celebration. As we move into new chapters of our life, I hope we carry not just our marks, but also the values the school has taught us. So I, Shreyashi Sarkar, would like to thank everyone who has been a part of this journey. Thank you.
Wonderful. Please be by my side, encouraging me to not only succeed in life through academics, but also through my values and virtues. According to me, the values, just like sisters have said, the values play a more important role in life than any marks could ever. So I hope to learn even more as I grow up. I'll always keep learning all the values and along with it, trying my best to succeed in whatever I can. And to my juniors, and everyone present here, the one thing that came to my mind, actually what I wanted to share when I won this success was I never changed this success. I tried to do what I felt was right, like studies normally, and that success came alongside. So, and also I'd like to say that all of you are kind of unique. So now if I give advice of don't study like this, follow this book, or don't do like that, do not do this, don't do that, that won't be actually the best way for you. To find the best way, you need to look into yourself. Introspection is the best thing that can help you. When you are all you, so when you learn from your own self how you do the best, what is the best way for you, and then grow accordingly, then only you can achieve even greater than you are doing now, because that time you are listening to your own self, not to others. Others may say don't do this, or others may tell us that this would be better for you, but you know what is the best because you know yourself.
always think what comes naturally to you. What do you enjoy? What makes you lose track of time? If you do not know yet, it's okay. Look at where the world is heading. Then look at what you are drawn to. Where those two meet is a good place to begin. You do not need perfect clarity. All you need is direction. I also take this opportunity to remind the parents that your child's result is not your report card. When we make it about our own image, we add to the pressure they are already carrying. What they need is someone who can stay calm and say, this is one moment. I see you beyond this. The most successful people are those who learn to understand themselves and keep moving forward through both success and failure. The confidence to do so does not come with marks. It builds when you choose honesty over excuses and curiosity over comparison. I congratulate all the students, including the toppers who have cleared class 10 and 12 in the CBSE exam. They must have worked very hard with full concentration and focus in a disciplined way for many hours every day. Enjoy this moment. It has been said that education is not just about going to school and getting a degree. It's about widening your knowledge and absorbing the truth about life. Education is for improving the lives of others and for leaving you.
On behalf of the entire Auxilium family, I would like to extend my heartfelt. I would also like to extend a special note of thanks for the continuous support and encouragement and to all the special invitees.